Capture your bathroom's best angle with these game-changing photography tips. Kicking off the bathroom photography top tips, we're starting with toilet seats. Ever noticed how many brochures show a toilet seat up? Well, none, you're quite correct. So please make sure that your lid and your toilet seat are in the down position. It'll make the shot look way more professional. Do you think your bathroom is bright enough? Well, let's shed some light on that. Remember to turn those lights on. Even if you've got a big window, the additional down lights will really help and make the photo look really smart. Have you got an illuminated mirror or mirror cabinet? If so, it can be your photo's best friend. Don't forget to switch them on. They can really highlight a feature of the bathroom, and any mood lights can really take the photo to the next level. On to our next bathroom photo tip. Clutter can be a real photo crasher. So let's talk about the art of decluttering. Try to hide away any clutter. If you have lots of bottles and towels and lotions, please try and remove a few. You can even put them outside the bathroom door whilst you're taking the photo. And don't forget, a few well-placed ones can make the room look lived in and add a bit of charisma to it. In our journey to capture a magazine-worthy bathroom photo, a clean space is a photogenic space. Even if it's just a once-over, a quick clean can give that bathroom a real sparkle. Sunlight is great, but sometimes less is more. Let's balance that daylight. If there's a large window, consider closing the blind. Too much direct sunlight in a photo can really wash out the image and hide all the bathroom features. Rounding up our bathroom photo tips, struggling to fit everything in the shot? Let's widen our perspective. Trying to get everything in one shot can be difficult, so with your mobile phone, try to go to the wide angle lens by doing a pinch motion on the screen. This can then hopefully get the whole bathroom in the shot. If you stand up against the wall or in the corner, you can then get most of the bathroom in the shot. But try not to get your feet in the photo. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a like.